All right, you guys, today is day 4 of Egypt. We are gonna tour just a little bit outside of Cairo to the pyramids. Okay, so we're gonna make our scene today. So inside of your bag, just dump everything out. Okay, and then let's sort and see kind of what we have. That's weird, Miss Chrissy. Yeah.
I wonder what that is.
All right. All right. Once you have everything laid out, we are going to open our scene. Okay, now remember that this is going to be in front of you like this. Okay, but I'm doing it this way. The very first thing that we should probably do is glue our bottoms together. Okay, so take a little bit of glue, put it kind of like in a triangle on the edge, right by the slit. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it as far as you want and then push it down. Okay, there's not a perfect solution of where you should put it, just anywhere that looks good. Because then we're gonna take this piece and we're gonna kind of bring the whole scene together, okay? Do you see that?
Yeah.
All right, so once you have this lined up, just flip it over. You know we love our glue. All right, and then just kind of center it on there so it's covering up our little triangle over there. Kind of makes it look more consistent. All right, then we're gonna just sit this to the side for a second. Let's take a look. We have some camels. We have some people in ancient gear. We have our sun, and we have our
Sphinx.
Good job, Miss Rachel.
Yeah,
Good
there
job,
it
Miss
is.
Rachel.
Very important.
All right,
Yeah.
so city of Cairo, if you look out into the distance, can you see all the pyramids and the Sphinx?
Yes. Yep. They're only 11 miles apart.
That's crazy.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Everyone thinks
And
they're way out in the desert, and they're not.
Huge.
Yes.
They are huge. My dad has actually has seen it. We actually have customers that are from Egypt.
Yep.
So they go back every year. Very cool. They say the water is amazing.
Love it.
So I would like to go. All right. So as I was talking, this Sphinx is going to go right here. Okay. So just lay it down, put some glue on it, and then anywhere you can get it to fit, you are going to stick it on there. Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Sun.
That hot blazing sun. Look at that.
Hot blazing
Ooh, yeah.
sun. Wherever you want. I wouldn't cover up your pyramid though.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm going to put mine up in this far corner. So I am going to just put glue right in the middle there. And then I'm just going to push it right onto the corner. How's that look? Is that right?
Yep, that's perfect.
All right. All right. And then we have, let's go ahead and put some clouds, just a little bit. Not going to do too many. Just anywhere.
Just anywhere up in the sky.
Probably should have done this while it was flat.
Yeah, that's okay. There we go.
Gonna do like a long one there. Just a little bit. Nice clear.
There we go.
How's that?
Whoop, there we go.
Good?
Good.
All right. Last, we are going to put our people onto our cubes because we need to stand them up. They don't want to be laying down. They want to be standing up.
That's right.
Okay. And see, she has her necklace on.
Yes. Which we'll be making
Looks
on
very similar to
day
ours.
5. Yep.
So that's tomorrow.
Yes.
All right, and we have a camel taking a little break there.
Oof.
And we have one that's ready to rock and roll. Have you ever been on a camel?
I have never been on a camel. It looks so interesting, though.
They are very tall.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, I would totally do it.
I would do it, but man, yeah, it's like that's a big animal, and you don't really realize how high they are, and then you get lifted up, and you're like, whoa!
All right.
Look at that.
All right, and then, okay, parents, you can push pause. You can skip this step. Up to you. I am going to put a bunch of glue kind of all over the bottom here. Again, it's gonna be fun. Might want to have a trash can nearby. Our sand from day 2, if you want, you can take just a pinch or 2.
Just a little bit.
Just a little
Just
bit.
a smidge, yep.
You know, just to add a little dimension there.
Yeah, exactly.
Some more textures. The kids just love different materials to use in their projects, so does Miss Chrissy. But I just think it gives it a little extra something.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. So once you put the glue on, you sprinkle the sand on, it will stick to wherever there's glue, and then just dump it back into the tray that you have or trash can. Just a little bit.
Yep.
You don't need a lot. And then you can take your people and your camels. Hers is going to be resting.
Yeah. Camel's had a long day.
Yeah.
He needs to rest.
Yep. And just put it on your scene anywhere you want, and you can just mix them up. Play with them at your leisure. How cool is that? I can't really see from this side.
It's beautiful. It's so cool.
I love it.
Cool. Oh,
I
yeah.
would love to go see those pyramids.
Oh,
It's just amazing.
it is. Yeah.
They are amazing. All right, you guys, feel free to go to YouTube. Look up some of the videos with the pyramids. Miss Rachel will probably put a little caption in there so you can just click on it or copy the link and just take a little tour. That'd be kind of cool. All right, you guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.